guys, it's Cruz. I'm here with 4 packs of Score, and it is Throwback Thursday today, and yeah, let's get into this pack. They all come with 16 cards, so yeah, let's get into it. It is Throwback Thursday. John Settle, Kevin Ross, Herschel Walker. Oh, nice. Steve Young. Kent Hull. Joey Broner. Nice. I already have this one, but it's still very cool. Super Bowl trivia. Those more clean. Keith Woodside. Chris Miller. Steve Smith. I think he's good. I'm not really sure. Dalton Hillard. Hot Gun Boomer Assistant. Nice. This is cool. Neil Anderson. Ground Force. Roger Craig. What? I have his autograph. That's cool. Jamie Holland. Kevin Porter. And Chris Carter. Bruce Smith. And Jeff Delnabatch. There we go. Barry Sanders. And right behind it, Jim Kelly. Sweet. Felix Wright. Rich Carmelero. Another Super Bowl tributes. Oh, there are different teams and players. I get it now. Odessa Turner. Anthony Tony. Jackie Slater. Jim Jensen. Tony Bennett, rookie card. Phil Simms, Hot Gun. Bobby Humphrey, sweet, Ground Force. Pete Holland, hey, I don't know. Ronnie Lott and Lonzel Hill. That's a nice Ronnie Lott. Right. Two more packs. Phil Simms. Dewey Bickett. There we go. Bo Jackson. Boom. Todd McNair. Tim Rosenbach. Randall McDaniel. Super Bowl tributes. Richard Johnson. Tim McGee. Ken Harvey. Scott Case. Charles Haley. Steve Jordan. Rookie card of Joel Smeege. Anthony Miller. Oh my gosh, I think Mark Clayton. And whenever I saw Dan on this card, that was a Dan Marino. Darn it. Hey, but this guy is from Oklahoma City, so. Barry Sanders, sweet. Bubba McDowell, Harmon Hurd, Harry Newsom, Super Bowl tributes, Ken Harvey, Keith Woodside, Mark Kelso, Mike Dial, Kyle Clifton, Andre Reed. He's pretty good, I'm pretty sure. Earl Farrell, Steve Jordan, Joe Snead, rookie, another one. Kevin Porter, Jerry Ball, last but not least, Bob Gagliano. Not really sure. But he's a quarterback, so. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Throwback Thursday. Bye.